Good morning, guys. I have not picked up the camera in probably over a week, and I wanted to show you what we've gotten done around here. And then also our septic tank is actually being put in today. It is Canada Day today as well. You won't be seeing this until probably a couple weeks past. But anyways, happy Canada Day, happy 4th of July, everything, wherever you guys are. So you guys saw that we did this retaining wall here. We have kept it covered because it's been rainy with a tarp. And then we finished these stairs. You guys saw us, I think, put in half of them, but we did end up finishing them. We had to get some more stone because we had to use 2 here and then a 3rd one here, and the stringers will come down here. I think I showed you the well line we had dug a trench for. The guy came, we filled it back in, and then our massive dirt pile is gone. We took most of it to mom and dad's, which I'll show you later, is all filled in at mom and dad's now. And we just have a little bit of dirt left there and then some topsoil there. And then one afternoon, I was just playing around and got this area all cleaned up. If you remember, there was just a bunch of rocks thrown in here, and I kind of took them and made a formed garden. And we filled it up with dirt, and now obviously that's not topsoil, it's all like clay crap. But also I knew that these hostas were on the side of the road, and I grabbed those one night and just planted them quickly here just to have something in there for now. So I did that. And I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but this almost got thrown out and it shouldn't have been. But this is actually a rock that was where Michaela's grave was dug. Most of you guys probably know the story, but we had to dig her grave because it was wintertime, so my cousin did it and that rock was in it and we ended up keeping it. So this rock will actually go in this garden somewhere, somehow. Some way. Dad came this morning and moved the big excavator trailer because we have had the excavator for almost a month. We have it until next Tuesday.
Okay, finished doing your photo shoot?
Nope. I'll show the backyard. Dad filled this up so that our septic guy could come back in here with machinery. Today he's not bringing machinery because Dad offered to dig the hole for him because we have the excavator anyways. And then the backyard is a disaster. It
was attacked by Damien.
Well, that's not a lie. But anyways, we started one day kind of getting rid of all of the weeds and stuff with the excavator and started scraping it all and moved all the rock into piles again and scraped at the bedrock so that we could see where it is, because we are creating like a tier there and then a tier up above where that dirt pile is. So that's what we've been doing. It's been a lot of work and flattening this all out. I took away most of the fire pit and buried all the ashes and everything. We added more topsoil here that was from here. So this is kind of what we have so far. We're trying to utilize the rocks that we have here, and it's proving to be quite difficult. And here is our septic tank. Holy crap.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Holy, that's freaking big. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing. Septic's going in today, well, septic tank, and then see how it goes.
then we'll start setting her down in, and then we'll spin her.
What do you think, dude? Huh? That's a big food tank, huh? Smaller one, no, we can't have a smaller one.
I'll set it so it stops moving.
Yeah,
Then we can probably move it by hand.
Put some dirt on top of it so it doesn't move too much. It doesn't leave.
The blades the other way.
So he doesn't want me to go above what those little...
Inlets are, no.
Yeah. Okay, so I can fill a little bit more on the other side, but that's the inlet there, right?
Yeah, right on the end.
The motor was broke.
He's only using this inlet and that inlet.
Oh, okay. So
But I don't know if he'll use this side.
Yeah.
He might put that tank this way. He didn't say he would, but...
I think he didn't want me to cover that back.
Right, yeah. That's what I heard.
So that one I can...
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you can cover this one,
Okay.
for sure.
Just don't go higher than that surface is what he
Yeah.
was pointing to.
Okay, so you got to stay below that flat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Because the inlet pipe goes there, and then the outlet's going to go out that way.
Yeah.
But I don't know. If it was me, I'd come out here, put that
Well,
box.
I don't know if you heard what he said, but they're gonna start 7 meters from the back this way,
Yeah.
but then angle it.
Yeah. I seen them telling them about going this way, and then they came
Yeah.
right back here more. It was like,
So I don't know. He didn't say if that dirt pile's in the way, but I'm assuming if we
oh,
kept
he
it,
was supposed to tell us, wasn't he?
if we were supposed to keep it like back in that corner, I think it's fine.
Because
But
he's going 30 inches down up there. That's
he
a lot
said-
of dirt, 30
he
inches.
said he's gonna start scraping right beside the rock or something.
Well, that's what he said, but I don't know. That's a lot of dirt, but I mean, you'll see how fast they are, right?
Well, they got bigger machinery.
Well, they'll come in with the skid steer and scrape it down or whatever, right?
Yeah.
But
You got a fair bit to fill in around here, I guess.
Yeah. Alrighty. I'm gonna need diesel.
where is he? Diesel.
He's right there. Don't call him. Good boy.
Yeah, well, I never imagined this. I thought you was going to build a house like about the size of mine, which would be done by now.
Now this is like 3 times.
Well, I tried. I couldn't get it any smaller. If we didn't have baby girls when I designed it,
That's too heavy.
it could have been half the size.
Go bigger, go home.
Yeah, and I don't have a home to go to, so I have to go bigger. I was taught that all my life. Go bigger or go home.
Always
So,
blame on it. Go big or go home.
so it's not my fault.